Next sum 9.9. An object of size 3 centimeter is placed 14 centimeter in the front of a concave lens. Okay, that means here you have concave lens. Of focal length 21 centimeter. Describe the image produced by lens. What happens if the object move further away from the lens? Okay, concave lens here. The size of the object, that is the h, is equal to 3 centimeter plus 14 centimeter, that is the u is equal to minus 14 centimeter. Concave length of focal length 21, that is you can say f is equal to minus 21 centimeter, right. You have given this much data. Okay, you want to find out the image, that is v आपको find करना है. So here we'll use lens formula, that is according to lens formula we can say that minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Okay, you want to find out the v, therefore 1 upon v, that is the 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Okay, now you can say that is the u plus f upon fu, that is what 1 upon v, therefore v is equal to fu upon u plus f. Now substitute the value, f is equal to minus 21, u is equal to minus 14, u is equal to minus 14, f is equal to minus 21, minus 21. So friends, when you solve this, then your answer will be minus 8.4 centimeter. Okay, and magnification m is equal to v upon u, that is hi upon ho. Okay, therefore hi is equal to ho into v upon u. What is the height of the object? So here height of the object is a 3 centimeter, that is the 3. What is the v? V is equal to minus 8.4, and what is the u? U is equal to minus 14. So when you solve this, then hi is equal to 1.8 centimeter, right. Here v is negative, means image is erect and virtual with diminished in size from 8.4 centimeter distance from the lens on the same side of the object. It is a concave lens, dear, not convex. Okay, so here it is like this. As the object move away from the lens, the virtual image move towards the focal point of the lens. Okay, here we can say that as the object move away, as object move away from the lens, as the object move away from the lens, the virtual image move, the virtual image move towards the focal point, towards the so friends, as you know that as you move away from the lens, okay, so here when object is coming from the infinite distance, they are paraxial, that is parallel to principal axis, right. तो वो केस में आपकी जो इमेज है वो फोकस पॉइंट पर फोकस होगी, राइट, कि इट इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर कॉन्केव एंड कॉन्वेक्स लेंस बोथ. नेक्स्ट सम 9.10, what is the focal length of convex lens? That is, here you have types of lens, that is convex lens. Okay, of focal length 30 centimeter. That is, you can say that f1 is equal to plus 30 centimeter and f2 is equal to minus 30 centimeter. In the contact with a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter, f2 is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Is the system converging or diverging lens? Ignore the thickness of the lens. Okay. So here we will use the combination of lens. Okay, ये है convex lens and it is for concave lens. Okay, so here we are using combination of lens. So for combination of lens, what you can say, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, right. So here we can say that equivalent focal length is given by, you can say, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, right. That is, here you can also say power p is equal to p1 plus p2. That is, here we can say 1 upon 30 minus 1 upon 20. So you can say 60 is the LCM. So here 30 to the minus 3, that is a minus 1 by 60, it is what, 1 upon f. Therefore, equivalent focal length, that is a minus 60 centimeter. So we can say that here combination of lens minus 1 upon 60, 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 60. So f is equal to minus 60. 30 and 20. So what is the LCM 30 and 20? 60. Okay, see here friends, 30 and 20 का LCM होगा 60, right. So 30 to the 60 and 20 3 the 60. So here combination of lens behave as a concave lens. Okay, that is, it is a diverging lens. It is diverging lens, right. Next sum, a compound microscope consists of an objective lens of focal length 2 centimeter. Okay, so here what you can say, focal length of objective is the 2 centimeter and eyepiece of focal length 6.25 centimeter. Focal length of eyepiece 6.25 centimeter separated by a distance of 15 centimeter. Okay, ये दोनों का जो separation है, ये दोनों का separation है, that is the 15 centimeter, that is the eyepiece and objective. How far from the objective should an object be placed in order to obtain a final image at first the least distance of distinct vision 25 centimeter, okay, and b at infinity, right. So चलो friends, let us see. So पहले हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं डायग्राम. Okay, so here we can say it is objective lens and you can say it is a eyepiece. Okay, और ये दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस है, you can say it is a 15 centimeter, right. It is the focal length of objective lens, that is the 2 centimeter is given. Focal length of eyepiece, that is 6.25 centimeter is given, right. अब सपोज यहाँ पर ये है हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट. सो इट इज़ अ U0. that is the objective of ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, राइट। अब यहाँ पर सपोज हम कंसीडर करते हैं इमेज मिल रही है, ओके, सो इट इज़ ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस फॉर आई पीस, okay, and you will get final image somewhere here, okay. So here you can say final image, that is value distance of eyepiece, that is the d, that is equal to 25 सेंटीमीटर। यहाँ पर हमें चाहिए, हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं केस नंबर ए, राइट। सो इट इज़ अ सिचुएशन। सो हियर यू कैन से दैट VE इज इक्वल टू -25 सेंटीमीटर। तो आपको UE फाइंड करना है, मतलब ये ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस के लिए, बराबर। सो हियर FE इज इक्वल टू 6.25, आपको UE फाइंड करना है, ओके। चलो देखते हैं किस तरह से होगा। सो हियर वी कैन से दैट फॉर आई पीस यू कैन से -1 upon UE plus 1 upon VE, that is equal to 1 upon FE. Therefore 1 upon UE is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon FE, that is equal to minus 1 upon, what is the VE, that is a minus 25, wait, V is minus 25, ओके, माइनस साइन नहीं होगी यहाँ पर, सो माइनस एक ही होगी, दैट इज अ -1 upon 25 minus 1 upon 6.25. So when you solve this, that is UE is equal to -5 centimeter. What is the UE? -5 centimeter. Okay. So distance between two lines, that is equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore VO, that is for objective, it is a 15 minus UE, that is a 15 minus 5, that is what, 10 centimeter. Okay. Now for objective lens, for okay, that means UE is equal to -5. देखो यहाँ पर UE ये हुआ 5 सेंटीमीटर, तो ऑब्वियस ये क्या हो जाएगा, so you can say it is a 10 centimeter. It is like this. Minus sign, negative sign indicate that it is opposite to incident ray. Okay, so it is like this. Now for objective lens, ये हमने लिया था eyepiece. Now for objective lens, what you can say, -1 upon UO plus 1 upon VO is equal to 1 upon FO. Okay, here I want to find out 1 upon UO, that is equal to 1 upon VO minus 1 upon FO. Okay, now substitute the value, that is a 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 2. Focal length for objective is 2 centimeter. FO is a 2 centimeter. It is given, right? That's why we use it. Okay. So when you solve this, that is what, -2 upon 5, that is a 1 upon U naught. Therefore U naught, that is a minus 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So distance of object from objective lens, you can say that here. So distance of object from objective lens, is 2.5 centimeter, and in case of magnification, you can say magnification, that is VO upon UO 1 plus D upon FE. Okay, that is what 10 upon 2.5 1 plus 25 upon 6.25, right. So when you solve this, then your answer will be 20. So for this case the magnification is 20. Okay. Now B point, that is when image is at infinite. Image is at infinite distance. Okay, that means here you can say VE is equal to infinite and FE is equal to 6.25 centimeter. Okay, so for eyepiece what you can say, 1 upon FE is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon UE. Okay, therefore 1 upon UE, that is a 1 upon VE minus 1 upon FE. Now substitute the value, that is a 1 upon infinite minus 1 upon 6.25. So 1 upon infinite हो जाएगा 0. Okay, therefore UE is equal to minus 6.25 centimeter. Okay, and value distance, or sorry, image for objective lens, that is a 15 minus UE, that is equal to what, 15 minus 6.25, that is equal to 8.75 centimeter. What is it? 8.75 centimeter. सेम प्रोसेस ही हम करेंगे. नाउ फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, ये था आईपीस के लिए. नाउ फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, here for objective lens once again you can say that minus 1 upon UO plus 1 upon VO, that is a 1 upon FO. Okay, so here you want to find out 1 upon U for objective, that is equal to 1 upon VO minus 1 upon FO, that is a 1 upon 8.75 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so when you solve this, then U for objective minus 2.59 centimeter, right. Now magnifying power M is equal to VO upon UO D upon FE, that is what you can say 8.75 upon 2.59 into 25 upon 6.25. So when you solve this, your answer will be 13.5. Okay, so magnification is 13.5, right friends. So it is a equation. Next sum, 9.12, a person with a normal near 0.25 centimeter, okay, near 0.25 centimeter using a compound microscope with objective of focal length 8 mm and eyepiece of focal length 2.5 centimeter can bring an object placed 9 mm from the objective in sharp focus. What is the separation between the two lens? Calculate the magnifying power of the microscope, right friend. तो यहाँ पर हम पहले डेटा लिख लेते हैं, that is U for object distance for objective lens, that is what, minus 9 mm. Okay, focal length for objective lens, that is what, 8 mm. आपको image distance for objective find करना है. Okay, distance between slit, that means the screen and the eyepiece, that is 250 mm. FE 2.5 centimeter, that is 25 mm. ओके, आपको यहाँ पर फाइंड करना है UE, L एंड मैग्निफिकेशन, बराबर। सो जैसे हमने लास्ट सम में किया था, सेम वे प्रोसेस वही रहेगी। दैट मीन्स हियर वी आर गोइंग टू यूज लेंस फॉर्मूला। ओके, तो पहले हम यूज करेंगे और सॉल्व करेंगे फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, you can say minus 1 upon u naught plus 1 upon v naught, that is 1 upon f naught. Okay, therefore 1 upon v naught, that is 1 upon f naught plus 1 upon u naught, that is what you can say 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 9, that is what 1 upon 72. Therefore VO, that is equal to 72 mm. What is the VO? That is a distance for image distance for objective lens, that is a 72 mm. Okay, next one, that is for eyepiece. For eyepiece, what you can say, 1 upon FE, that is a minus 1 upon UE plus 1 upon VE. Okay, therefore 1 upon UE, that is equal to 1 upon VE minus 1 upon FE. Okay, that is what 1 upon 250 minus 1 upon 25, that is what minus 11 upon 250. Therefore UE minus 22.7 mm. Okay, now distance between two lines, distance between two lines, that is equal to VO plus UE, that is a image distance for objective plus object distance for eyepiece, right? That is what 72 plus 22.7. Okay, that is 94.7 mm. And magnifying power, magnification power M, that is equal to VO upon UO 1 plus D upon FE. Okay, that is what 72 upon 9 1 plus 250 upon 25, 250 upon 25. When you solve this, your answer is 88, right? Next number, a small telescope has an objective lens of focal length 144 centimeter. That is objective lens for focal length 144 centimeter, and eyepiece, that is the FE, is equal to 6 centimeter. What is the magnifying power of the telescope? What is the separation between the objective and eyepiece, right? So here for this case, M is equal to, you can say FO upon FE, that is equal to 144 by 6, that is equal to 24, and separation between objective and eyepiece, objective and eyepiece, that is equal to FO plus FE, that is the 144 plus 6, that is equal to 150. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है। टेलीस्कोप है तो आपको टेलीस्कोप का इक्वेशन अप्लाई करना है, एंड माइक्रोस्कोप है तो आपको माइक्रोस्कोप का इक्वेशन अप्लाई करना है, राइट? नेक्स्ट सम, a giant refracting telescope at an observatory has an objective lens of focal length 15 centimeter. That is, here you can say FO is equal to 15 centimeter, if an eyepiece of focal length 1 centimeter, that is FE is equal to 1 centimeter, is used, what is the angular magnification of the telescope? Okay, so पहला number, that is the angular magnification. What? Angular magnification, that is equal to M is equal to FO upon FE, that is a 15 upon 0.01. Okay, so that is what 1500. Okay, इतना magnification होगा. Now B question, this telescope is used to view the moon. What is the diameter of the image of the moon formed by the objective lens? The diameter of moon is given, right? And the radius of the lunar orbit is 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meter. बराबर. So here we can say that it is like this. Okay, for example, ये है हमारा axis. Here we can say that okay, and we can say कि एक रे जो हमारा जाएगा यहाँ से सेंटर, दूसरा जाएगा यहाँ से ये सेंटर पर. Okay, and here it is a moon. And you can say it is a eyepiece. Okay, ये है eyepiece. You can say it is the image of moon. Image of moon, and you can say it is the FO, that is the objective lens का है, focal length that is the 15 centimeter, and FE that is equal to 0.01 centimeter. 15 meter है. It is the 15 meter. Okay, it is not centimeter, it is a meter. You can say it is a 15 meter. It is a 1 centimeter, that is a 0.01 meter. इसलिए हमने यहाँ पर 0.01 लिया है. 15 centimeter नहीं, it is a 15 meter. Okay, and here focal length of eyepiece, that is a 0.01 meter. Okay, ये एंगल बनेगा अल्फा, ये एंगल भी बनेगा अल्फा, right? You can say this distance is d. Okay, now here given that the diameter of the moon (3.48 into 10 raised to 6 meter) and radius of lunar orbit, that is equal to 3.8 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Okay, now from figure we can say that alpha is equal to diameter of the moon upon radius of orbit. ओके, दैट मीन्स हियर ये आईपीस के पास ये लेंस है. ओके, दैट मीन्स हियर यू कैन से इट इज़ अ मून. ओके, तो अल्फा फाइंड करना है, दैट इज डायमीटर ऑफ द मून अपॉन this radius, that is here we use the formula angle is equal to arc upon radius, that is equal to 3.48 into 10 raised to 6 upon 3.8 into 10 raised to 8, and alpha is equal to diameter of the image अपॉन एफ ओ. ओके मैडम. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर हमें ये अल्फ़ा के दो इक्वेशन मिलेंगे. अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू इमेज ऑफ द मून, ये डायमीटर ऑफ इमेज ऑफ द मून, इनटू एफ ओ, एंड अल्फ़ा इज इक्वल टू दिस अपॉन दिस. ओके, एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस, एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस. राइट, ये दोनों तरफ एंगुलर डायमीटर सेम रहेगा. ओके, दैट इज डायमीटर ऑफ द इमेज अपॉन एफ ओ, दैट इज इक्वल टू यू कैन से डी अपॉन एफ ओ. ओके, नाउ कंपेयरिंग दिस टू इक्वेशन, दैट इज 1 and 2, that is you can say 1 is equal to 2, that is d upon 15 is equal to 3.48 into 10 raised to 6 upon 3.8 into 10 raised to 8. Okay, so d is equal to 15 into 3.48 into 10 raised to 6 upon 3.8 into 10 raised to 8. So when you solve this, then you have answer, that is 13.73 centimeter. Okay.